You know when you start listening to that song and it's like midway through and you don't really know the words, but you're still jamming out to it anyway? Or when you're hanging with one of your friends and you remember he owes you money? Yeah. That all you want, bro? You just want fries? That's cool? Alright, cool. Yeah, thanks. That's all. That'll work. As a matter of fact, cancel them damn fries. I don't want no fries. Y'all still here? Go check out my other videos. Alright, I'd like to thank everybody for subscribing. I really appreciate it. I like making people laugh. It gives me a joy in life. So, yeah, keep the subscribes going. It's just that little red rectangle on the bottom of my video. Says subscribe. Click it. Good to go. If not, I mean, like some videos or something or watch them. But subscribes are awesome too. So, yeah, everybody have a great day. Hope I gave y'all some giggles. Peace.